we will now create the About card that we see right here. It features a large image, then we have a header and a subheader, a paragraph, a block quote, and one more paragraph. So let's get started. Here in our code editor, we go inside of our first column right here. Then we create our card view. So we add a div tag with the classes UI, fluid, and card. The fluid class must be used if you want the card to take up all of the available width. If you don't use that, it will have a set width. So we use the fluid class to make this card responsive. Now we want to insert our image. So we add a div tag with the class image. And inside of this, we add the image tag with the source being img/900 times 450.png. As we can see, we have the picture right over here to the left. We give it the alt attribute with the value being portrait of, and then our name, Jeppe Schaumburg Jensen. We close the image tag again. Now we want to create the content for our card, so we add a div tag with the class content, like so. And inside of this, we'll first create a heading element, so we use the h1 heading element and give it the classes UI, huge, header. When we add the class huge, we'll make this header larger than the default size. We'll add our name again here. Now, before the closing heading tag, we want to add a subheader. So we add a paragraph with the class subheader, or the classes sub and header. Now I'll just paste in some text here and close our p tag again, and then we'll close our heading tag here. Then we'll create a regular paragraph. So I'll just paste in some text here, and then we'll create a regular block quote with the native block quote HTML tag, like so. And the content of this will be a paragraph. I'll just paste that in right there. Close the paragraph again, and then we'll add a little footer to our block quote. We'll create an m dash using the HTML entity, like so, m dash and semicolon, and then our name one more time, and then close the footer tag again. After our block quote tag, we'll create one more paragraph, and once again I'll just paste in the text here. Let's save this, go into our browser, select the right tab and refresh. Now we can see our very first card here. We can see that it takes up 10 out of 16 columns, and we can see that it's fluid when we resize the browser, just as we would expect. We can see that the image resizes automatically to take up 100% of the available width. We can see right here after our header, we have the subheader down under. This was the About section of our page.